Welcome to the University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill's video tutorial for exam scanning. Today we will be showing you how to scan your Gradescope bubble sheets as a PDF to be uploaded into Gradescope. There are no special scanners required in order to complete this process. Any multifunction printer with a scan to PDF capability can be used to upload the files. For this tutorial, we will be using a Xerox printer machine located in most departmental offices within the campus of UNC Chapel Hill. To begin, make sure that all of the bubble sheets are facing upright and are displaying side 1. Once the bubble sheets are upright, place the stack in the top tray of the Xerox printer. On the home screen of the printer menu, push the Email button. Then, press Manual Entry. From here, you will be able to type in the email address to which you'd like your documents to be sent. If you are scanning from a Xerox machine, the file will show up with the name title, Scanned from a Xerox Multifunction Device. You can easily change the subject line of the email to something more easily identifiable. This will also change the name of the PDF file that will be attached with it. If the bubble sheets you are scanning have answers on both sides of the page, make sure that you have selected two-sided scanning on your printer to make sure that all of the answers are recognized from the bubble sheet. Also, make sure that the answers are filled out in pencil instead of ink. Ink tends to bleed through the paper when scanning a double-sided bubble sheet. Once you have the correct email address and scan settings, you can start scanning the documents by pressing the Send button in the upper right. After all of the bubble sheets have been scanned, you will receive a PDF file in your email. Once you have received the file, you'll be able to upload the PDF into your Gradescope course for grading. To learn more about Gradescope and how to grade your exams, please click on the other tutorials we have provided at gradescope.unc.edu.